In this video, I am going to explain you about basic parts of program, input output functions and assignments. Basic parts of programs are also called as bare bones of a Python program. See this note I have given you this week, and the same thing I will cover in live class using Google Meet. See, one statement is here. This program shows a program's components with hash sign. This hash sign is also called as pound symbol, and it is used for comments in Python program. And these statements are ignored by Python interpreter, and these statements are useful for reading by programmer. So this thing I will explain you using a program like here. Here I will type one program, and in this program I will explain you basic parts of a Python program. Maybe something I will cover this time, or some concepts we will cover in coming videos or in coming classes. This program shows a program components. Here one thing I am writing here, def keyword. Def keyword, it is used to type user defined function. Here print, the print statement, it is used to display the output. Time to say goodbye. And this program you can see in your Sumita Arora computer science book. Here main program code follows now, then a equal to 15, and these are expression in this program. Now another expression, a minus 15, here print a plus 3, then here num equal to input int input enter number, and then I am using here one conditional statement. If num modulus 2 equal to 0, double equal to, it is used for comparison purpose, and all things I will cover in another videos. But here you have to know about what are the basic parts of any standard Python program. Maybe these programs you can refer to create your projects. Here when the number is divisible by 2, here what I have used here, which operator? Modulus operator, and the modulus operator returns the remainder. Even number, then else, if this condition is false, then here odd number. After that I will write the statement to call a function, and one more thing I want to write here, one statements input device. Right here enter the name of input device, then print it using print function. Now why I have written so many things here? See, this is called as a comment here, and the comment begins with pound symbol or hash, you can say, and the next is def cu, it is a user defined function. Now what is the meaning of this space here? It is called as indentation. Here I am writing the name of this space, indentation, means this is called as comment, and these statements are ignored by a Python program. Here you see here there is colon I have written here, the colon means this statement, it depends on the above statement. Now a equal to 15, they basically they all are called as statements in a Python program. This is called as first statement, this one, these all are statements. Means the end of the statement means whenever we hit the enter key, it is called as end of the statement. Means the this line end at this position, so this is called as the end of the statement. And this one is called as a expression here. Why it is called as expression? Because here we are using a equal to 15, b equal to a minus 15. They both are called as expression. Means it is used for calculation purpose. And again you see here there is indentation, and the indentation are 4 spaces. Basically whenever we type colon operator, then when we hit the enter key, it automatically shows the indentation here. Indentation means this statement depends on this condition. When this condition is true, this statement will execute. And there means they are also called as block here. Means we can write one more statement here. Means print 2 is an, means num is an even number. Then what do you mean by this one? They both means these both statements, they are dependent on this condition, and it is called as also a block of code. And this is called as indentation, this is called as indentation, and the both statements, they make one block, and this block of code depends on this statement. There is also called as a block. Means we can write more than one statement here. These are the basic fundamental blocks of any Python program. Now one by one I will explain you other things in this. Okay, first I will tell you how to execute this program. First of all, I have to save this program, and you save the program in a means a folder, but you don't save this in this folder. Python means local programs, Python 3.8, and it is called as the system folder of the Python. You don't save your Python programs in this folder, but you save your Python programs in another folder. Like I regularly save all programs in one folder. This I have created. This one I will create one folder here, and means what date I will decide, 29. In this way I will decide the date, CS class 11th, and the date is 29. Why I am writing here 29? Because tomorrow I will take your class 07/2020 programs. Means in this way I can check what program I have explained you, PROG1. Then how to run this program, click on run menu, then click on run module. Either you press the F5 key. Okay, it is taking some time. Now you write here 4. Now you see here 4 is an even number, but program is still running here. Now you type the name of the input device, keyboard. Now it is correct. Means whenever your program is executing, that time it doesn't display this prompt sign here. Now one by one everything I will explain you using means these notes. First is expression. An expression is any legal combination of symbols that represent a value. Python evaluates expression and then produces a value. Like here 15, 9.1, they both are value, but this is called as expression. Now these things I will explain you using this Python prompt. Means what you understand by expression. Like here a equal to 4, b equal to 5, then c equal to A into B. It is called as expression here. Means it is same like mathematical expression, and the purpose of expression is to do calculation. Next here, statement. Statement means this is called as statement, but according to mathematics, it is called as expression. Now here, one statement I am writing, print hello. It is called as output statement. Means this is called as statement of a program. Like in this program, means this is one statement, this is called as statement, but basically according to calculation purpose, it is called as expression. Means a statement is a programming instruction that does something, means some action takes place, and the statement end with a physical line. Means at this position, whenever I hit the enter key, like here, I am typing one statement here, like in this way, print this is the end of program. You see here, whenever I hit the enter key, it means end of this statement here. And it is not necessary that a statement results in a value. It may or may not yield a value. Means like here, I'm explaining you with the help of an example. A equal to 15, B equal to A minus 10, and print A plus 3. Means it is not a equation here, it is not an equation. Means the calculation of a plus 3, it is not stored in any other variable here. Means just it is means we are adding something, it is not yielding. Means yielding, yielding means it is not giving any means it is not storing the calculation value to another variable. Like here, this statement, it stores the value of a minus 10 to b here. Then the next one is comments, and this is called as comments here. Comment is an additional information that increases readability of program, and Python interpreter ignores comments. The first is single line comment or full line comment. Single line comment starts with hash character and end with the end of the physical line. Multi-line comments uses text of one or more lines. It starts with triple quoted multi-line string. Like in this example, whenever I write here triple quoted string, this is a multi-line comment. Means here more than one line I can type it here. Means this is the second line. In this way I have typed here two lines. Means means these both statements are ignored by the Python interpreter. Next is here function. A function contains one line code or multi-line codes, and this topic will cover in another means chapter or in another videos. And the purpose of the function is to reuse the code, and function is a named unit. Like here, the function starts with def function name, parameter list, then colon, then quotes. Here there are some predefined function I am using here, the print and the input function. Next is block and indentation. Block is a group or collection of statements, and block is a part of another function or statement. Block is also called as code block or suit if age is greater than 18. This is called as a block here because these statements are dependent on this condition. And indentation means here we type 4 spaces, means from this left margin. Next topic is variable and assignment. A variable in Python represents named location that refers to a value and whose values can be used and processed during program run. Like here, marks equal to 99. Variables are created by assigning value of desired data type to them. Like in this example, student equal to Jacob, age equal to 16. These both are variables here. Student and age are variables. And the data type of student variable is string, and the data type of age is int, that is integer. Next is Python variables in memory. In Python, variables refer memory location whose means value is stored. Means location means the address of the memory, and the memory is called as random access memory. Age equal to 15. Age is a variable that refers to a memory location where 15 is stored. We can refer this variable for another data type, like here age equal to 42. Means here I have stored 15 and its data type is integer to this variable age. Again means string type value I have stored in age. It means the age is referring to the integer type value, and here the age is referring to the string type value. Means age here stores the integer type variables address. Here it shows string type value address here. So in Python, variables refers to memory location where value is stored. Variables uses memory location of value. The data type of variable depends on which type of value is referred by variable. Memory location is also called as reference. Next is multiple assignment. Multiple assignment, like here I am explaining you using this example. A comma b equal to 10 comma 20. Means the 10 is stored to A, and 20 is stored in B here. Then if I type A here, it means the value of A is 10, and B means the value of B is 20 here. Again I can use this statement like in this way, means 3 to 3.5, 3.5 here, and 8.9 means whenever I type here x, its value is 2 here, and y 3.5, z is 8.9. Means such type of assignment, it is called as multi-line assignment. Means where is the topic here? This is the topic. Multiple assignment means we can do if we type this single statement in different lines, like in this way, x equal to 10, in next line y equal to 20, and in another line z equal to 30. Simple input output function, and everything I have explained you in means in this video, to use how to use input and print function. And one thing you clear about input function, that the input function takes value through the keyboard to a variable. Like here I will explain you. Num equal to, not in num, age equal to input enter age, then age here I am writing here 34. Now you type your age. Now you see here it is showing the 34 in single quotes. It means the type of age is string. But in this way you could not apply calculation, means mathematical operators you could not apply for this variable age. So for this you use here age equal to int input enter age, then here age 34. Now you type age. You see here it is showing the value 34 here. Then you can use means to know the type of data type of the age. See here the data type of the age is integer. Thank you for watching this video.